Biology Chapter 1 Life Processes. In our previous video, we studied what is photosynthesis process. Now, let us do an activity that light is required for photosynthesis process. Requirements: a potted plant, petri dish, boiling tube, alcohol 70%, iodine solution, Bunsen burner, forceps, beaker, water, dropper, and black paper. Procedure: take a healthy potted plant and place it in dark for about 72 hours so that the leaves become free from starch. After 72 hours, select a leaf on the plant and cover a portion of it on both sides with black paper. Keep the potted plant with the covered leaf in sunlight for a few hours. After a few hours, detach the covered leaf from the plant and remove the black papers. Boil the leaf in water for a few minutes. Now boil the leaf in alcohol in a water bath till it becomes dull white due to the removal of chlorophyll. Wash the leaf with water and add iodine solution to it. You will observe the portion of leaf which was covered does not change color, whereas the portion which was uncovered turns blue-black. Conclusion: the portion of the leaf which was not covered received all the factors necessary for photosynthesis. Therefore, that part could only photosynthesize, whereas the one which was covered could not manufacture food. The presence of starch gave the positive test with iodine, that is, turned to blue-black color. Photosynthesis is the process of manufacturing of food by the green parts of the plant, especially in the leaves, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with the help of CO2 and water. So this activity proves that light is necessary for photosynthesis process. Plants cannot make their own food without light energy. Now let us do another activity to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis process. Materials required for this activity are Coleus plant, watch glass, test tubes, 2 beakers with water, iodine solution, alcohol, white paper, Bunsen burner, tripod with wire gauge, and dropper. Now let us see the process. Pluck a coleus leaf from the plant. Coleus leaf contains both green and non-green areas. Transfer the leaf on a white sheet of paper and draw its outline. Mark the green and non-green areas carefully on it. Now, boil this leaf in water for a few minutes. After boiling in water, again boil it in alcohol. The purpose of boiling leaf in alcohol is that it dissolves greenish part, that is chlorophyll. Then wash the leaf in cold water and place it in a watch glass. Now pour some drops of iodine solution over it. Compare the leaf with the drawing you made. You will observe only those areas of the leaf become blue which were marked as green. Conclusion: this shows that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis process. Therefore, it is proved from the following activities that chlorophyll and sunlight are necessary for photosynthesis process.